Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. It's now time for the Financial Week. Spain is promising continued investments in Jamaica. The Spanish ambassador to Jamaica made the announcement at a ceremony marking the 25th anniversary of the Rio Hotel chain in Jamaica. Kimberly Petty reports.
Nadia Forrester has been working at Rio Hotel for as long as the hotel chain has been in Jamaica, 25 years.
It feels overwhelming. I feel appreciated by the company, and I have dedicated many years to the company, and tonight I feel very, very appreciated.
But as the global market expands of late, workers have been seeking opportunities outside the country. An acknowledgement by Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness, who admitted that not only is Jamaica competing for visitors and investment, but for talent as well.
And Jamaica must position itself not only as a net exporter of talent, which we have been for almost 200 years, but we need to now position ourselves to be receivers of talent into our economy, if our economy is to grow and expand.
Managing Director of Rio Hotels and Resorts, Joan Trian Rio, says the hotel chain has been doing just that.
In the last 5 years, our contribution to social security and tax totals more than 14.3 billion Jamaican dollars. Salaries have represented 12 billion, and we have spent 66 billion in Jamaican dollars for Jamaican suppliers.
And it's not just Rio.
Spanish companies have invested heavily during the last 25 years. They follow the leadership of Rio, and now probably Spain is one of the most solid investment partners of Jamaica.
The first Rio resort opened in Negril in 2001. Since then, the hotel chain now operates 7 properties. Kimberly Petty, TVJ News.
To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 8,647 points today, while the junior market advanced by 72 points. The winners include Productive Business Solution US Dollar Ordinary Shares, Kintyre Holdings, Epley Limited 7.25% Preference Shares, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and Cargo Handlers. Now the losers include Consolidated Bakeries, Cygnus Credit Investment 8%, Elite Diagnostic, 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, and JMMB 7.25% Cumulative Redeemable Preference Shares. 16 stocks traded firm. To the foreign exchange market now, at the end of foreign exchange trading, banks and cam bills were selling the US dollar for an average $158.58. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $112.80. The pound is going for $209.32, while the euro is selling for an average $185.07.